Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. Unbelievable day at the MOJO Day Trading in the chat room today. It was just unbelievable trading. Let's scoot over to the day trade room and I'll show you what's going on and what's happening because, guys, it's quite amazing. Let me do a little scroll up here in the MOJO chat while I take a sip of coffee, let that scroll. Oh, there we go. Tea time for Richie at 1 o'clock. He deserves it. He's the trader that made $100,000. Okay, so right here we traded MYOV today. 1550 sold right there. MYOV's a beauty today, a beauty. A flat MYOV at 945 was a complete ATM machine. Still in 250 shares, beautiful. And then KRTX made a run here from 88 to, there's a signal at 90. You could see it right here, folks. 101, that's what we're playing this through right here, the 90. There it goes, right there, right at the ask at 90. And then Bohan, beautiful. If there's anyone even close to this guy, Pro Trader Mike, I won't believe it. You're the greatest, man. Thanks for allowing all of us to this room. I've been doing this for years and never seen anything like you. Just wish I was younger. Sorry about my spelling. He's been with me since the beginning. Take a copy of that if you don't mind, and I'll put it into my testimonials. Little tablet right there. Save that, baby. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for that, Mr. Bohan. That's a good one. And then thank you on that. Thank you on that. Here's proof that he's been here since 2014, June 30th. Beautiful. This is PayPal. He's paid over $6,000 in subscriptions. Made that back 10,000 fold. Been totally my honor and pleasure to be. Thank you so much, dude. Appreciate that. That right there too. You know, millionaires say that about you. It's a nice thing, man. I don't need Damon John and nobody else to verify what I got going on. So that's nice. And we have MYOV again, and then we did that trade on KRTX at 88. Look, we sold 91, 92, 93 from 87 buys. Amazing, right? Had 50 shares left at 88. Unrealized 242 just on those 50 shares. So to be up $242 on 50 shares, you got to be up 8 points from 88 to 96. Big move, man. Went 94 and then 95. Big move. On KRTX, it went to 103 and then it halted. Amazing, right? It went to 150, folks. It's showing 111. If it touches 111, it goes right to 120. There's 104. Halted. My first $100 halt in the history of my career was right there. That was my first halt on $100 stock. And it was at 10:18 a.m. this morning in the MOJO Day Trading room. It went to 152 after that. And right now it's 127. Went to 152. That was big. And here's 108. Anybody have any left? Couple. He had a CGC there. And there's 108. There's KR. Look at this trade from 105. Sold 106, 107, 108. Beautiful trade. And then Richie right here traded MYOV. MYOV is the symbol. You can see it right there. MYOV. See it right here. It's the symbol. His quantity. He has his button set at 1, 3, and 5,000. He made $103,000. $103,385.23 he made trading that one stock in the Mojo chat room by 10:30 a.m. Now that's like a year's salary. It's amazing.
Well, yes.
Anyone can do that.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Even if you made a fraction of that. Sorry, I had the day trade room on mute. Even if you had a fraction of that. Just a fraction. Folks, it's 123,358.23. I even know it by heart now. In profits on MYOV today. One trader in 1 hour. You could do the same thing, guys. There it is. Fact in the room, man. And the fact that I don't have 700 people watching this is just a shame. Just a shame. So we have a couple of really nice swing picks that got closed today. Let's update that portfolio, and I'll show you what other stocks we got going on. Savara and Avenger did really well today. Crohn's doing real well in the swing. A couple other ones too. All right, I'll give you an update in a minute. Crohn's 650, guys, making a move on the weeds now. You see this, Saywin and you guys? Weeds, CGC, moving, guys, definitely. Crohn going through 650, new high will drag up the CGC, guys, for sure. In 1505, add 1509, add 1511. I'll do 12 because then it'll go right to 1519. You got a nice winner on CGC. Absolutely, you're in. 652, 52 on Crohn, 52 on Crohn. Absolutely, 655, bringing CGC to 17 now, 655 Crohn, 655, guys. CGC 16, nice move, very profitable. 656, here it goes, guys. 657, guys. Beautiful. Make sure you got both. No big deal not to have both of them. 15-15. Here we go. 15-16. Beautiful trading. Calling out the ticks. They hear me. They see me. They love me. I'm like in the old days. I was helping my son with this test last night, and they were talking about the telegraph, how they had to have one guy at one game doing Morse code and typing in so someone else at the other side could get that message and relay the message to the audience of what was happening at the game across the country until television started. And that's what I'm doing. 658 on Crone. 658 went up another penny, followed by 15-17, ready to blast 15-19, which it just did on CGC. 660, you're up very much now. Very much now, Saywin. Very much now. Making you a couple of $100. As I told you, you should have nothing less than 1,000 shares of each now, except a little less than on CGC. Beautiful.
Yeah, baby.
See, I went to lunch and I said, I'm going to coach you to some profitability. We're going to make a couple of $100 in the afternoon session. Just let me get on the show, get in front in the press box. So I start calling the action from high above. I'm the best at that. And you come in the room, you pay a little subscription. I got a special 30% off, $99 a month. One of the cheapest chat rooms out there, but the best quality because I want to make it affordable for everyone. Should be raised up now because commissions are over, but whatever. I keep it at $99 for the time being. 661 on Crone, new high. 522 new high on CGC. CGC 1522 just blasted to, with Crone followed to a new high of 662. Beautiful. Beautiful. You could take a couple profits off the table. Wouldn't be snag daggy. Not too bad on the next little push. We'll blast at 24 on the CGC. Holding here at 58 on the Crony Baloney. Got it in the swing. Right here in the swing. Absolute mojo swing pick at 630. Gonna adding, guys. Let's adding. Gonna add here. Adding on Crone. Right here in the swing. Everyone will get alerted as soon as I make a change to this portfolio. You could set your Google Drive, guys, to alert you when I make a change. Did you know that? You can make your Google Drive alert you when I make changes. Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to add here at the 655. We're going to get that sucker right there. And then we're going to add also on this PSTV down here at 207. Adding on 207, raising the cost of this one to 635 and lowering the cost of this one to 235. Absolutely. And we're adding at 207 on that one today. Beautiful down there. And we got Avenger up 22%. AVGR 98 cents right there. Making a beautiful move down here on 1119. On 1119. $1.20. Look at that, 22% win in 2 days. Gotta love that. And Savara, only half is closed. I think it goes through $1. It went to 98 cents. 94 was a sale mark at 23.68% on Savara. PSV went higher from the sale yesterday at 155. And that's a Hermitage Offshore Services right there. PSV at 112 to 155. Let's head back on over to the screen so we could see new highs on the day for CGC and Crone. New high on the day. Crone, new HOD, 663, followed by CGC at 1524. Thank you so much. We're like right there on the ching chang.
Well, yes.
What do you think? I hate that one. Hate that one. Guys, you loving this? Are you loving this? 666 new high on Crone. 667, 1525, 1525, 1527, 1530, 1530, 670, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look, 670 on Crone, 1528 on the other, in both, rocking on both, 669 on Crone, 1528, Saywin, Sully, Sleepy, Hopper, Chopper, Batman, Beef, Bohan, Carol, Dano, Fly, Larry, Kent, Lizzie, Otis, Paul, Pistol, everyone in the room making cha-ching.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an yeah! Yes. Yes. Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There you go. 669 new high on Crone. 1530 new high there on the CGC. Beautiful, beautiful. Mojo's rocking. Only gives you winners every day on the show. More in the Mojo room. Personal attention. Boom. Look at that. 30% off down below in the link. Go to my website and sign up. See you in the chat room. Get my courses loaded for you, man. You know exactly all the lingo, how to do this, when to sell in the surges. Every time that inner chicken in your head goes, oh, damn, look, I'm profitable. That was your signal to sell. It goes down 8 out of 10 times every time you do that. And you only remember the 2 out of 10 that go higher. See, it went down a nickel. See, it went down a nickel. Could have taken some profits right there. Wow, look at AMD, guys. 41.50 on AMD. Dude, look at the daily on AMD. The hell's going on with AMD? Wasn't the video going up too? No. AMD is, how about Xilinx? XLNX. Nope. Just AMD, man. Damn. AMD. You guys making some money? How much you make, man? On my moves in the Mojo room after all that action I just gave you right there. You want to see the action? Look at this, guys. You couldn't have been in it better. Right there. Yeah, the UV's still doing fine. Where's UV at? 1607. Okay, guys, look. Right here. See, and you did that. Look. Crone. CGC. Crone. CGC. You can make your Google live alert when I did it there. Added on there. 15, 25, 27, 29. Look at that, guys. And it's still there at the same mark. MYOV Heinz 13? Absolutely, Sully. Why wouldn't you? It's 1322 now. Absolutely, dude. Great Heinz trade. 1337 now. 1337. You got it, Sully. Great trade. Thanks for letting the room know about that Heinz. 1334 now. Thank you, Sully. See, and Otis. Guys doing good together, trading like a team. I got Mr. Saywin going with a couple of hundo in profits. If you don't answer me, I ain't helping him no more. That teamwork, guys, in the room. That's it. How can you just be in UV and not be in the Crone and the CGC? I just started the show. Everyone on YouTube just made a ton of money. Don't make sense. How many UVXY could you have? 200? 3 hasn't done anything. Why would you have much buying power? I don't understand. Every time you feel like you'd be chasing, 9 out of 10 of them have worked. Every single time. Every time. When I go like this, want to see something true? Watch this. This was before you joined. Watch. Watch. See these right here? The 1505. Look. See that? What are they called? I think I made that up before you were here. They all know. Most of the other pro traders know what that is. No, it doesn't matter. This is destroyed after this. Don't worry, you'll never do it again. Watch. Pro traders, what is that I did by putting out those numbers like that? Anybody listening? See if they can answer. Exactly. Exactly. Have you ever heard of that before? In the room? Have you ever heard of that before? No, so you haven't. Okay, you haven't. It's Skittles, bro. Okay, let me show you. Do a search in the search bar for Skittles. Watch. I made this up before you were here. Look. See these on the right? Look. You see those on the right? 283 Arcadia. Here we go. 283, 284, 285, 286, 289, 290, 91. You'd think you're chasing. You'd think you're chasing. Okay? You're not. It goes right through 3 to 309. See? Sell 309 right here. You'd think you were chasing. Watch again. Watch. Skittles. Look. JDST. 1340, 4550. Those are Skittles. Look again. Skittles. 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 Love the Skittles. Okay? Amazing Skittles. Skittles. This was in April. Look, let's jump back. Look, see the Skittles? 3509, 1929, 30. You'd think you're chasing. You'd think you're chasing. You're not. 54, 64, 74. Do you see? You see? They're called Skittles. Whenever I go 35, 36, 37, buy on the third one. 100% of the time, they're 500 out of 500 Skittles have all gone higher. It's called the Skittles trade play. It's going to be in my new class in 2020. It's called the Skittles. You understand how it works? And you always think you're chasing, but you're really not. But you're really not. You're never chasing it, dude. Okay? So the first order of Skittles, exactly, is first order of business is I need Skittles, man. Okay? That's the first order of business. Just wait for the Skittles. So CGC would have been Skittles. Yes, that is correct. And you would have bought it up there on the 20, and you would have rode it up higher. Same thing on the Crone, on the Skittles on that. It's called the Skittles trade play. What do you think of that? You know why it's interesting? And you know why it's interesting and stuff? Because it works. Because it works. I journaled it. Every time I wrote in the room, bing, 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 it went higher. So, what do? Gotta call it something, right? Gotta call it the Skittles. Skittles. Like that. Gotta like it. So those are the amazing Skittles. I've been doing them for a while. Look, right here. Skittles on BPTH when that one was moving. Look, 15, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70. That thing went 75. It went to 50, dude. Skittles, BPTH, look, is moving. Skittles trade play in effect could easily go 16 to 20. Check out the MOJO Day Trade show. See? Beautiful, right? Telling you, bro. That's 2 pages of them. I got more. Look. Skittles, Skittles, Skittles right there. Beautiful. So you learned a new one. Learned a new one. New one. Let's see what's hot and what's not, shall we? Sure, why not, right? So what's hot and what's not was the weeds. We were just in them, man. You just made money from them. Nothing else is really that hot and right now. I'm expecting a little turn down. You got a new high on Crone at 676 and a new high on CGC at 1530. What could be better, man? What could be better? You miss out on the Skittles money a lot. Now that I know about it, it'll be nice to add to my tool bag. Yeah, and you stop trading with emotions. Absolutely. There's no harm in buying 100 shares 5 times instead of buying 500 shares at once. You're not going to miss anything. KRTX just ran $5. Guys, KRTX just ran $5. Look, it just ran $5. Look at that move. It just went from 128 to 135, 136. Just went up $6. $6. Look, it was marked at 133 bid. Oh my gosh, thing's a rocket ship. Some of the swings, PSV did good. It's back at 170. Back at 170. SAEX got destroyed today. Was up at 447, back down to 260. I hate these little ones. Big ones are so much better. AGRX, my swing pick, went to 190 today. Went to 190 today, AGRX. Swing. No, that was a day trade. This one getting triggered at 169. So Avenger did good. 20, so that one's off the list. And Savar is off the list. Another one is up 1.3%, and the other one's up 1.1%. 1.3. New highs on both. Crone 85. Come on, man. Tell me you're up $300, dude, on both of these right now. Crone 686. 688. Come on now. 689 is going to go high in 7. 1540. 1544, 1545. It's going to go 1550 plus. Come on now, guys. You got to be making some serious money right here with me in the MOJO Day Trade room. Are you? Are you? Are you? It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Richie's up another $100,000 just on my last couple of trades. Another 100 grand in the bank. Crone 690 now. CGC's 1550 now. Everyone's sleeping, man. Wake up, man. Wake up. People on YouTube are sleeping, man. People on Twitch, they don't know what they're doing. Look at KRTX, 140 already. Damn, 140 already on that. Remember how Crone kept on going lower and lower and lower? Now it's going higher and higher and higher, and you're just scared of it. You had to be in when I mentioned it at 50. It's now at 90. It's gone up 40 cents straight. 40 cents straight, man. 40 cents straight. Hope everyone made money on that, man. What else got to go? Apple. Apple had its day. I think that's a little worm. Little wormski right here. Little red little worm. Making its way into the Apple. That's a little red. I'd short some Apple here, guys. 266.85. Short some Apple. Add, when it breaks, 266.70. Add, and then add more, 266.50, and break that 3 times. Risk a dime into Heinz, and then cover at Heinz. Risk the 277, which is 14 cents. Come on now, it's an amazing opportunity trade right there. It's a beauty trade right there. New high coming on CGC into the 50. Here it goes, 47, 48. Short Apple. That was a good short. Apple short. Absolutely. Gotta like the Apple short. Very little risk. $45, still the same on CGC, still the same on CGC, still the same on Crone, 85. Gotta like those. Amazing. You know how many people are trading live on YouTube and that you can follow? None. MYOV probably. No one, absolutely nobody. Absolutely nobody. I'm live now. That's it. And MYOV's always live. He's got some good. He's got 327 watching. I got 11. It's a record for me, man. That's a record for me, bros. Yeah, it's a record for me. 10. 10. Oh, don't be scared of Apple right here. You want to short it right here. Don't be scared. Stay in it. 267. Stay in right here. Love the short. Got it. 87, 88. Right there. It's not a dime. Oh, Mike D. Thank you, man. 50's coming on CGC. 50's coming on CGC. Had to do a little breather, man. They had to take like a little breath before the next big toke. You know what I'm saying? No, you probably don't know what I'm saying with that. You know, Snoop does it the best, man. Next big one's coming. There you go, Snoop. CGC 55, told you. Next blast was coming. 55, told you, say when you're up a couple of hundo right now. Absolutely. Crone's 90. Helping out my traders. Richie's up $50,000 now. Absolutely. Absolutely. Apple's dumping. Long the weeds and short the apple. long the marijuana and short the apple. Anybody else got a little bit of fruit or anything like that? Anybody got anything like that? Come on now. Anybody? Got no love in the room? Got no love in the room. It's a shame. Yeah. What about CGC, bro? It's your baby. Got to be in both. I told you. Told you. Got to listen. No, you keep on dude, exactly. That's why you're messing up. You keep on answering your own questions. Look, the price seemed better on Crone with the 90. Dude, take both. Stop thinking. Look, this is what Alan does right here. Well, let me show you Alan's method of operation. You've seen this one before, hopefully. Let's see. Now, you learned about the Skittles, and these are Alan's rules. Look. These are Alan's rules. Look. Buy when Mike buys, sell when Mike sells. Don't think. Don't think. Just trade. That's it. And scale in 1, 2, and 7. Skittle 1, 100. Skittle 2, 200. Skittle 3, 700. You understand? That's it. Right there. Stay on the reservation. And I'm on the mic for a reason. If I wasn't on the mic, you would be just in Crone, because that's what you would have done, looking at both, judging for yourself which one it is. But I said, dude, do them both. You've got enough buying power. You're not putting all your eggs into the Crone, so you get like a 1,000 Crone and 500 CGC. And you got plenty of BP left after that even. You're not taking big positions. UV's the same price. It hasn't moved. 1609. It's flatline. So you made money in the other ones. Don't think, just trade. I'll call out the trades. Just do it. And if you're up, ask me, and I'll tell you to sell it. And if you're down, ask me, and I'll tell you to sell it. Simple enough. And then we'll reprice both. Simple enough. What other day trade room moderators will give you the personal touch and the wraparound? Let's go, guys. I'm heading into battle. I'll go out there first. Let's go. Boom, boom. Here we go. 16078. Yeah, I don't like the UV. Get into the CGC or the Crone. Let's go this way, that way. The weeds, the apple. Boom, boom. We made 130,000 on one trader today, dude. You seen that? Look. He made just on MYOV, just on MYOV, he made $103,385.23 just on MYOV. Just on MYOV. Today, MYOV in the MOJO Day Trade room. Just on MYOV. Absolutely. Better ask somebody. Better. Here goes Crone 90, CGC through 50. Crone to 90, CGC 1550. Here we go. Oh, that was in the profit album. Let me erase that. So guys, right here, you've got a 230% winner that we hit on KRTX. From 44 to 149, picked in the MOJO Day Trade room today. Thank you very much right there. Stock of the year, absolutely. Buy at 44, sell at 144, absolutely 100-point winner. And then you have MYOV with $103,385 profit by Pro Trader Richie in the room, picking at 7 and selling at 15. Went to 17. Beautiful. Absolutely. And he's made some good profits. Look, 45.78 on Uber, done for the day, just on Uber. On Uber. This guy did 50,000 shares at 62, sold at 92. He made $150,000 profit on that trading. And someone asked me, dude, that's not a, he didn't buy 50,000 shares. He traded 50,000 shares. It says at the end of the day, total shares trade. He traded 50,000 shares for in between those two prices for 150 G's. Absolutely. Richie, loving it right here with Beyond, BYND, made 12,431, 82. It's not the first time, guys. Not the first time. And then you got all these other winners right here in the day trade room. We've done this over and over and over. Look at this, guys. So let's scroll right here. This is on a 400% winner on, what is this? WKHS, workhorse right there. And then you got the August 9th, Arcadia Biosciences from 290 to 420, but that one went higher. Then the 15th, the day after, Cint 250 to 375. Then the 16th, the day after that, PSTV from 8 to 15. These guys are asking me how I picked MYOV today. Same way I picked these. On August 29th, Castle Brands. That was a swing pick, though. Right here, WWR from 360 to 420. Everyone's making bank in the Mojo room. On this one, SCS from 318 to 918. How did I pick that one? 300% winner. Right there, Synthesis. And then this one, NF Energy, BIMI from 380 to 950 on 1014. Look at the dates. August 29th. August 16th, the 29th, the 19th, 1011, 1014, 1015, Vive, 330 to 1080 in the Mojo chat room right there. Picked at 3, sold at 10. Beautiful. The day before was BIMI. Then the 6, 10, 15 days later, we hit CLSD from 77 to $1.38. Thing never stops, man. And we got some tweets that came earlier. It's exciting to be in the Mojo Day Trade room during the day. What? Yeah, you should have cut it already and repriced it, but it's all right. Wasn't it 1610? It's back to 1610. I take a look, I go back, and boom, it's right back to where I took my eye off. I saw it took a dump, but it's right back. Yeah, I saw it. Could be the sucker. I saw a dump, but then it came right back up, dude. If you're even on it, I'd get at it and reprice it back down. The winners, obviously, is the Krone and the CGC. That's what you're making the big dollarinos on. Yeah, it's right back to even. When'd you own it? 1608, 1609? It's right back 1607. 1607, no harm, no foul. Krone 690, right at the high. 690. CGC's at the high too, 1550 right there. You're doing very well. You're not looking at nothing. You're just listening to the Moj, staying tight, staying tuned. Yeah, baby. What's that, baby? Let them babies go. Let them babies roll. Here's 90, bro. Krone. Here's 91. New high, bro. 92. How many shares you got, Saywin? 93. How many shares you got, Saywin? 94. How many you got? 700. Sell 300 right now. 94. Sold 394. Sold, right? Good. You got 95. You should be in CGC 2 going through the new high. Yeah, anybody have CGC? Anybody in CGC? New high. New high on Krone. 697. Where'd it go? 696. Sold. 695. Half at least. Rebuy. Half back. At 7 only. and CGC new high. 1557 new high on CGC. Beautiful. How many CGC you got left? Where do you got it? How many you got left? Told you we're going to make a couple $100 today. Got 300. Just Chrome. What about CG? What about the CGC? Not in that one. All right. Should have been. That was the one. Should have. Next time you will be. At least you're in the. At least you're in the crown. At least you're in the crown. Absolutely. See how I help the traders in the Mojo room, guys? Anybody giving you this personal touch? Anybody else giving you this personal, man? Could you trade good like this if we were trading together? You know what I mean? Helping you out in the Mojo room like that? Voice command, knowing what you got, what you're in, helping you along. There's no one else that does that. Who else does that? Nobody. It's impossible. Who else is going to do that? Nobody in the world. New high, 698. 698. New high, baby. We're getting our $7 hinds. Here we go. No one in the world. No one in the world. 1557, new high. 1557. We're going to go 1560 plus now. Here we go. We're going 1560 plus on CGC. Bang out that 7, go right into the 9, touch the 60, dip back down, then it'll go back through. Here's 99 on Crone. There's a big strong situation happening right here on the weeds. There's a big correction going to be happening. There's a pre-tailer of the markets getting high. 1610 firmed up beautifully back on UV. You probably got some cheap stock down there. If you listened to me, I told you to stop out at 1607, rebuy it down here, which it did to 1596, and it's back up. You'd be up 20 cents. And where did I say that? I said that just 10 minutes ago, right here. I said it just 10 minutes ago, right here, when we were talking about the Skittles and the UV. I'm in UV. I said, fine, if UV does this, we'll do that. Where is it? That Apple short. 266.50. Apple's down much lower. Look at the Apple, dude. Apple dumped. Apple crashed to 266.53. Just where I said it was going to go. Look at that. And it's going lower, dude. It's going lower. Mojo's picking them like crazy, dude. Apple short was 266.85 with a big ad right there with a risk of 14 cents right there. That was that one. That was that beautiful one. Are you in that one, Saywin? That would have been nice. I would have heard from you if you did. Heard it. What else we got going on? UV's popping. UV's going to pop, dude. Don't miss the pop on UV and be like, oh my gosh, it's running now. I can't buy it. Look at Avenger. 128 on Avenger. AVGR. Avenger. 128 now. You're going to get a 27%. 27% return on the swing pick from Avenger. Here's the Avenger swing pick. You go to the swing trading channel in the MOJO Day Trading chat room. You scroll down to the current picks. You'll see Avenger right here. Why was Avenger picked? This is it's AVGR. Many good highlights on 11/17. It's picked in the 90-cent range. It's got a 5% trigger, which it did. So it triggered at 98. We bought it at 98. The pick came at 93. It triggered at 98. has good earnings for the last 4 quarters with a record $2.4 million in revenues and a 19% increase. We're going for Heinz $1, playing the first target. Then we're going to set a trail stop at $1 and above and see if it touches 111. Because if it does, it's going to go to 20. I'm going to see how high it can go. Back up to 3, then to 570. Floats 10.2 million. Funds of 4%. You're risking 8 cents to make 80 cents. 10-to-1 reward. That's a beautiful pick, guys. And you can see it right now. Trading record volume. Here's the daily chart. Beautiful move, 3-day right here. Half is gone. See if it goes test the rest. Otherwise, it's a great, great pick. Doesn't need to go up 200%. 30, 40% is just fine enough, guys. Fine enough. AGRX back at 180 today. Beautiful. You want to take another trade? CGC back in right here. Great from the sale. From CGC at 15.55. Take an entry right here at 15.35. CGC, we're going to go 15.40 even. I'll take that. No problem. No problem. Played all those songs earlier. My whole show got blocked on YouTube. EWT is right at $5. I can't believe it. Has not stopped going up all day. And I didn't think the little one would do that, but it really did. It went from $4.50 all the way to $5 without stopping. Who had 10,000 shares? I think Stoy did. Or he was down today. That's usually his baby with me, man. Getting that. You know, the bigger traders could buy 100,000 shares and clip that every 3 cents higher and be like, dude, that's a great trade. I bought it at 480, 485, and 490. I added at 495. I have 100,000 shares, and it's at $5. Yep. 1545 CGC is going back up. I'd sell some here. Right back up on the upside. Here goes Crone, 97. Crone made a big move back up. Look at that move on the Crone. Rail grinding on the 15 minutes. Beautiful. I told you the weeds were going to go. That's what you do. You got to be in it when they go, and that's what we were. I came back from lunch right here. Ate a big old Whopper Chopper right there. And figured out the lunch right there. Market had to get high. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alrighty, what else we got going on? A couple other good ones. Seal. Swing pick is moving now at 90 cents. I have to alert you because it's my swing pick. And now you know that it could go through $1 and you're on to one of my swing picks that's only up 5%. It's Seal. S-E-E-L. There's a signal at 92. The symbol is Seal. S-E-E-L. Right here in the MOJO chat room in the swing trade channel. Seal, S-E-E-L. You could see right here. PSV, Savara. Bingo. Yeah, here's Seal. $0.86. Seal's moving. So Seal right here in the swing trading channel. You just filled this. Good job, Saywin. Nice. That's the way to be, dude. Now you're getting it. Now you're getting it, baby. Now you're getting it. So let me show you the Seal play. Seal, on Sunday night, I did my research and I picked this one at 86 cents. It has a good earnings in the last quarter with a record of 400,000 in revenues. Will be going up against a loss of $2.24 next quarter and easily beat that with a 999% increase. increased earnings estimates for next year. Heinz $1 play first target, then set the trail above as $1. And if it touches 111, we're going to see how high it can go. It's going to test 111 mark in the circle right here, in that circle, and floats 22.5 million. Funds are 8%. We're risking a dime to make $1. 10 to 1 risk reward. 10 to 1. Look at that. Seal. And now it's at 90 cents, starting its move. So I gave it to you first. You heard it here on the Mojo Show. And when that thing's $1.20, you're going to be like, Mike is really a good stock picker, and I'm going to join his service. Absolutely. Absolutely. Why? Mojo, baby. And so could you. Here we go. Back over to the main screen. Arcadia did good today. 460 went 475. See what's hot and what's not right now. Crohn's back to 674 stopping station right here, 672. Gonna bounce right off this, guys. Absolutely. It's gonna. So you got that one right there. CLVS actually surprisingly went to $8.20 today. Clovis Oncology. Super strong stock in the last several. The Dow's finally down 100 points. UV's going to move. Make sure you're in UV, guys. End of the day run, 3 o'clock. Make sure you're in UV, guys. We're going to add 5 times. 18 new messages were just put into the Mojo room. Holy crap. Let's clear 15 of them. I deleted 15 messages. All right, I did good. Missed it by 3. 1, 2, 3. CGC filled your bid there. Beautiful. So you're in. Good. In on an entry. Look at some swing picks before I go. 90 cent on Seal. VLRX 150. BHAT 320. PSV 165. Let me go to the daily. These are the daily charts. JAX 86. These charts right here, guys, from this level 2. JAX 86. Seal 91. VLRX 150. BHAT 320. PSV 166. Look at these babies, huh? SVRA 92. SVRA's got a huge gap to fill in here, guys. Huge. And the top of this candle is $1.05. Huge. AVGR. Mojo Beauty. Mojo Beauty. We got KRTX. Went from 80 to 150 today. Amazing. Just lovely, man. I made $103,000 trading in the Mojo Day Trade room on that pick. You gotta love that, right? That's where the concentration was today. Crazy. Yeah, if you can go for it, Sully, sequence it, dude. It's a no-brainer. Absolutely. $15.44, Saywin. Sell half. 43. 43. See, when I went to lunch, I told my trader I'd help him out when I got back from lunch. Make sure he made a couple of $100. Does your guys do that for you? Huh? Do they? I don't think so. I don't think so. They ain't doing it for you like that. No way, Jose. No way. No place. No place like Mojo. No place. Tap like the girl in the Wizard of Oz. No place like Mojo. No place like Mojo. Dorothy from the Wizard of Oz. There's no place like Mojo. There's no place like Mojo. We should do that, right? All right. Whew, what a great day.
There's no place like home. There's no place.
Back in, say you win 32. Back in. Don't miss anything for a penny, dude.
Are you ready now? Yes. Think to yourself.
There's no place like home, folks. Cool. Nice. Good option, man. With the bids out just in case it drops. I've been watching Rad's going to go through 10, but I'm not too happy about it just because it has no volume. It hasn't really traded any volume all day. So I'm just going to watch that one. What else we got going on? Some good trading today, man. You guys want to sign up for my special, Turkey, 30% off special, man, below. MOJODayTrading.com/special. With that comes my day trading courses. Absolutely want to jump on that because I'm going to be teaching my next live class, and these are coming down because a new recording is going to go up for the new year. So I got my new systems, my Skittles, my styles, and all that stuff. I got to make a mark. It's coming down. I just looked at BPTH, dude. That's so funny that I just looked at it 1 second ago. So right here, guys, just do a little day trading right here. Tell you all about my day trading chat room. You got the swing trading right here. Tell you all about the swing trade newsletter. Absolutely. And then if you come right here to the special, mojodaytrading.com/special, which is the link below, you'll be taken to this page where you can get it at 30% off right now for the day trade chat room. Includes the day trading course. Value add at $14.97, but you get it for free and you learn my system, a glimpse of a very high win percentage system that's proven successful, how to use price and volume instead of charts to day trade, proper risk management and techniques for success, minimizing losses and maximizing profits while properly order entry techniques, tape reading in level 2, and the keys to success step by step. And the course is free for all members for a limited time. And then I have this, which is the swing trade newsletter, which is delivered every Sunday night, each up to 4 picks of the Ken Slim. You've been seeing many of them. I've got a free day trade, a swing trading course that I taught for $14.97 that I'm adding as a value add for all the memberships. And you're going to get a glimpse of the Ken Slim system and how I identify past winners of all time and apply them to today's biggest new potential winners. and how institutional funds play an important role in your stock selection, along with how to read different chart patterns like a professional, even if you have zero trading experience, and the truth about stop losses and how to avoid them, and how to find low risk trades with enormous profit potential, all with the Swing Trade membership. And if you want both, just click both and do both of them. And you get both courses. Absolutely, because that's what we do. Let's go back to the stocks. He picked it up at 1532.37, heading back into 40 again for another sale. UVXY, are we ready for a trade? New trade on UV. We sold the last one at 1607. You're buying this one at 1598, 1599, because that's what you do. You don't hold on to nothing. Just filled you on the bid at 99. Perfect. Next stop is 89. Sell back at 94. Or add back at 16 even, and you'll sell it at 1604 plus. No big deal. Not flying and jumping all over the place. It's just bouncing back and forth with nickies and dimes, man. 10 dimes is $1. 10 dimes is $1, man. You're going to sit there and watch it go up $1, 10 times up and down, or you're going to take it and take it and take it and take it, man. You don't got to sell the whole thing each time. Second. Alrighty, guys. Let's see what we got going on. I got Mr. Bobo Schneer right there. He's amazing, dude. My boy. Check him out. Hi, Bobo. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. It's incredible. You was a good boy. Beautiful dog in the sun. The sunlight. My best friend right there. Always by my side. Here we go, Saywin. Here we go, Saywin. Can't believe that CLVS. That was pretty strong. Here goes CGC, bud. CGC, you got Phil down there. $42. Beautiful. Flipping $50 bills left and right. I told you. Flipping 50s left and right. 1606 on UV, bro. 1606 now, UV. Told you. Making money. That's what we do. Thrown back to 680 and bouncing. Great job, guys. Great job trading. I'm glad I was able to come back in the afternoon and help my team trade like champions, man. Because that's what the service is. It's not, hey, watch me make money every day and let you show a video so you can be jealous. No. You show you what my traders do. Guy made 130 grand. Guy made $29. Guy made $80. They're each making money, man. That's what it's all about, bragging. I don't want to brag. I just want to show you and share with you and let you lose the zero you're with, whether it's yourself that you think you got it because you don't, or another guy you're following. Lose the zero and get with the hero, man. Don't be ashamed. Next year, it's all about the money, man. It's all about the Benjamins. Nobody's putting you on better stocks any day of the market than me. You don't need no celebrity to back me to tell you that. That's a fact, Jack. And maybe one day from watching me on social media or watching my YouTube, you'll see, hey, this guy really does hit all the winners. And he calls them out in the MOJO Day Trade room where I can be a member of. And there's no commissions. My commissions used to be thousands of dollars a month. I could charge you thousands of dollars a month. It's a $99 a month special. Just look below. You got filled 1608 on UV, boys. I'm putting UV up in this one. 1608 is selling here. Sell that bad boy. Told you, that's how you trade UV. That's how you trade UV. Told you. Boom. You don't know what you're doing. You just got a signal inside the MOJO Day Trade room to sell at 1608. I think that's pretty easy to follow. You think so? Say. Yeah, it's pretty easy to follow. I'd say so, yeah. Pretty easy to follow. What else we got going on? I think it was a great show again today. 30% off special, amazing trading, spot on accuracy, easy to understand. I don't flutter and you know, I got in on that trade and you know, it went up. It was good right across the VWAP with a stochastic, you know, an indicator. And it was really good trade. I was looking at it and then I decided not to, but then I went in after looking at it again. I didn't really know how to read the level 2, so I went back to my own, I went back to my own thing, and I did good on the trade, but could have made really better with, I hate people that be doing that all day long. There are people that do the YouTube videos that and you know. You know why people do that? Because they're unsure of what they're saying. And they don't know their systems like the back of their hand. You watch the poker players at night in the tournaments, the guys that have won. Last night I watched the Super Bowl, big bowl of poker with the big players, Negreanu and the Brat and these other guys. These guys won. This one guy never heard of was up 15 million this year in poker and offline winnings, dude. $15 million. Dude, these guys, they don't fumble on the game and stumble. They know it like the back of their hand. It's their craft, their system. They don't stumble and say, you know, the card on the river, they don't do that. So somebody that ums and you knows doesn't know what he's talking about.
Yes. Yes. Well, yes.
Yeah, you box it. You got some lower, you got some higher. You're boxing UV all along the bandwagon, bro. All the way up, all the way down. Teasing it like they can't even mess with you now. It's just ticking money into your P&L left every time it makes a move. And at the end of the day, you got a couple of $100, $100, $50, $80, $25. Dinner. If you're a day trader, all you need is a computer connection and pay for dinner every day. You only need one meal a day. You're glued to the computer. Your adrenaline is your food junkie all day. Ask somebody, ask me. I don't eat all day long, dude. Very rarely. I'm going, dude. I got coffee. I got a couple granolas here and there, a piece of fruit or whatever. But dude, I'm going till dinner. Absolutely. And I eat early dinners and I go to bed early. When you guys are still up, I'm in bed. So I got to get up early and I got to do everything in a routine, man. So good. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's CGC coming back into the 50s, right into the 40s. Signal at 40, they take it, you sell them through the 40s. 1609, holding UV. UV's going to make a nice end of the day run, I got a feeling. Definitely want to be long at least 500 UV at all times. Switching between 1,000 and back to 500, and even to 1,500 if it starts to surge. $6.79 cost on Crone. That's a good stable cost. Absolutely. UV 1610. Here it goes. 10. 10. It touches 11. We got a big winner, guys. Going to go right to 20. Watch how fast it goes from 11 to 20. It took so long from 7 to 10, but watch how fast it goes from 11 to 20. Watch. I teach this in MOJO University. It's the fastest dime on the whole ladder, and you better know what the ladder is. Here it goes, 11, 13, 14. You see? You see how quickly it jumped? In 3 seconds, what took 10 minutes. Did you see that? I told you it was going to happen before it happened. How do I know that? Because I've done it a million times. A million times. It's going to go right to 19. Watch. Fast. You'll see. You'll see. Dip down a second and right back to 14, then right through 17, then right through 19. What's Apple at? Apple's still holding its ground in the 70s, man. It just dumped down again to 65, but it's not cracking this this bottom right here. If it cracks this, oh, this thing's going to reverse out of here right here. Reverse car out of here down, man. Woo-wee. And then UV's going to run right like 20 cents. 20 cents. Yeah, 20. 20. I'd be short Apple, 100 shares. Be short Apple, say win 100, and be long UV. Here it goes, 14. Told you. Here it goes. Be short Apple and long UV. Short Apple, long UV, guys. There comes Apple breaking down. 50s. Told you, 15 on UV. There's a signal at 55. There it goes, right through 55. Beautiful breakdown on Apple happening. 15 on UV. Here we go to 17 on UV. Then right to 19 on UV. Patience as a bird. 60 breaking down on Apple. Right under the 50. We go head right to 266. And Apple goes down tomorrow, $1.50. You can hold it overnight. You can do options on Apple, buy puts. Buy UVXY calls if you do options. And do it for Friday to the end of the week. And you'll make some beautiful money. The risk on that is nothing. One, very small. Very small. The upside is very, very great. Very, very great. Absolutely. Shorted at 266.85, adding a 266.70 to it. Now it's 266.60. Going to add more on the breakdown. Absolutely. You got a half hour left. This half hour is going to feel like an ancient time frame. Longevity of craziness, longness, and just, oh man, it's going to take a long time. Oh, and a half hour from now, yeah, we could be over 620 headed into the 30s. As Apple breaks down 60 cents more. There it goes, breaking down. Make sure you're short Apple. Make sure you're long UV. 59, here's the breakdown, right under the wheel. Breakdown under the wheel. Here's the breakdown. Breaking down. You could short Microsoft to go under 150.50. I'm not as strong as that one as I am Apple. Yeah, that's a fact, Jack. Here it is, breaking down, 55. Going right under 50, right under 50. Right under 50, there it is, right under 50. Told you, right under 50. Breaking down. There, 47, 46. Told you. Beautiful. Here goes UV. Add back on UV if you sold any at 14. Here it goes, 46 down. Dude, I'm so good at trading. It's sick. Look at this breakdown right here on Apple, boys. Beautiful breakdown. In the 30s already. In the 30s. In the 30s, guy. Here it is, 35. 35. 266, 35. Beautiful. 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 Look at that drop down on Apple I got right there, boys. 38, shorting it down. They're selling. Here's UV back at 14. Ripping. I'm making everyone money now. Everyone in the world is making money. You think I'm influencing Apple? People say, hey, on my show, I saw Apple spike down after you said short it, man. You're manipulating, front running, paper running, Ricardo Bashamanading, whatever that may mean. Manipulating Apple. Dude, it traded 13 million. You think I'm manipulating Apple? I have 12 people watching right now. Six of them are in my MOJO room. None of them are doing it. And you think I'm manipulating the stock? Better go check yourself in the mirror, folks. The people that think that, because you're out of your mind. You think I'm manipulating UV? It's 14.5 million shares. I can't make this thing go up if you pay it. It's exactly tailed into the S&P 500. It has nothing to do with people. It's an index. Look at that freaking Apple, baby. Woohoo! Cover some of that Apple, guys. Cover part of the Apple short. Just in case it runs back up here, you got some profit on the table. 266.35. Covered part of that Apple short right there for you, boy. I even typed it on YouTube and Twitch for you. How about that? Saywin, how you doing on 615 on UV? Sell a little bit, 615, 616, sell a little bit, box it back in. 619, you're getting filled right here, buddy. Yeah, very nice. Made you a couple $100 just as promised. Just as promised, my focus was on my traders to come in this afternoon in an afternoon session and make everybody money. Does your guy do that and tell you that that's his game? No, he's like, dude, I'm gonna trade my $500 account and I'm gonna regrow that baby back up. Or I got 13 million. I started at $1,000 and I'm gonna show you how to make $1,000 for the day because I got 13 million. And I just did a $200 trade and posted it online. Come on now, guys. The guy that made $8 million, dude, he posted a $350 trade. You don't trade in $350 trades with $13 million. Give me a break. Look at that, babies, guys. 1619 on UV. Show me some money, Saywin. I've been doing a lot of work here, man, for you. Show me how much money you're making. Let these other people know what they can do. We ain't messing around. I want to see the moolahs. See the moolahs. There we go. Look at that. Telling everybody what to do. Do it in the MOJO room. Yeah, boys. Beautiful trading, and beautiful trading. Time is at 3:32. 6 minutes went by and it feels like a half hour. That was a good cover on Apple, dude. Told you it was going to pop back up, right? Beauty. Now we get to short it again from what you covered down there at 266.35. It's 266.55 plus. Short it again. Make lower lows. Short it again, dude. Right here. 266.60. There you go. You're in again. Do I send out alerts when I buy or sell it? I research a month before I buy a stock. I don't know much time. Oh my gosh. Dude. I have 13 minutes. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, so get short Apple again right there. Nice job on UV 19. We should go to 20 now. What are you waiting for, did you say? Waiting for UV to come up and give me some profits. It did, dude. It did. What are you talking about? Look at this. UVX. Oh my gosh. Look, this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 25, 30 minutes. I've been here sitting here for 30 minutes. Going straight up. 30 minutes straight up. What's to wait for? How's it doing now? How's it doing now? 1623 it just went to, and Apple just dumped again. Amazing, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. We trading. Nice trade, Sully, on MYOV through 13. It's 1350. MYOV's 1350. It went up actually to 1380, dude. 1397 on Sully's pick. Sully's pick. CGC came down. All right, leave it alone. Tulu's here. What's up, Tulu? Man, you missed some action. Man, you missed some action. Look at these people in the Mojo room, dude. They don't even know what the hell's going on. Look. Alpha, Beta. I gave them all these winners, dude. Look at how many times what should I do with these people, dude? They don't even answer me back, but I keep on wasting my time trying to talk to them. I don't know what I should do. Any idea why Crone's up? Yeah. It needed a rebound. You sold some at 22. Good job, dude. It's the way to do it. Because now it's back at 12. Absolutely. KRTX is ticked back up a little bit. Amron's moving a little bit right now, too. Keep an eye on Amron. Amron ended day right here, 277. Goes higher. Not do anything yet on that. Nice job today, guys. You learn how to trade like a boss. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What are we gonna watch here? How about oh, you want to see a cool movie I saw the other night? You ever see this movie? The Edge with Tom Cruise. The Edge of Tomorrow, it's called. You ever seen this before? You ever seen this movie before, guys? With Tom Cruise? What happens is there's a big war. And in order to win the war, he like has the special power where he dies. He gets killed and he comes back to life to repeat the same day. It's unbelievable. Watch.
I'd like to tell you sounds crazy, but you have to listen to me. Very lies. This is your impair. You see, this isn't the first time.
That scene happens to him 500 times in a row. Over and over. It's unbelievable, this movie. He died.
This conversation. What is it? Judgment Day. You just came in with the fresh recruits.
Great movie.
The invasion will fail. Soldier you are sending. We lose everything.
Come find me when you wake up.
See, he woke up again. He woke up in the same spot, goes through the same thing. And that girl is key in the movie.
What's happening to me?
What happened to you happened to me. You hijacked that power. I need your help.
This what exactly?
Winning the war. We can do this. Just come here every day and I'll train you.
As far as you go.
Why does it matter what happens to me?
A soldier.
Of course you're not. You're a weapon.
That's a good movie, folks. Right there. The Edge of Tomorrow with Tom Cruise. He keeps on dying over and over. It's an amazing movie, man. Check that out. Check that out, man. So glad I held you up on the CGC. What was that? Another move. So that's cool. So we did some good trading here at the end of the day. I think what's happened is 342. UV's at 20. Great trading today, guys. That's all I got to say. So until tomorrow for the next show, you should definitely scoot into the Mojo room and chat along and trade with me and the team, because I think it'll be a profitable experience and edutainment experience that's filled with education and a lot of entertainment. So until the next show, guys, peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you then. Absolutely subscribe to my stuff, man, down there in the corner. Watch them other videos that pop up about me and subscribe in the middle, man.